Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled MLOps, Deploying and Managing AI Models in Production. Imagine you've baked a delicious cake. Your AI model, MLOps, is like setting up a professional bakery to consistently make, deliver, and ensure that cake is always fresh and tasty for your customers. It's about getting your AI project out of your laptop and into the hands of users. Then making sure it works well, all the time. It's the operations part of machine learning. Before MLOps, developers focus on creating the brain, the model that learns from data. This involves gathering data, training the model, and testing it. MLOps picks up after you've trained your AI model and are happy with its performance in testing. It's the bridge that takes your brilliant AI idea from a lab experiment to a reliable, constantly working product used by many people. Think of deploying your AI model like launching a new app on your phone. You've built it, but now you need to put it somewhere accessible for others to use. This often means wrapping your model in a digital container, like a shipping box, and hosting it on a server or cloud service. This way, other programs or users can send it questions, inputs, and get answers, predictions, usually through something called an API, application programming interface. Even the smartest AI model can get confused over time if the world changes around it, or if the data it sees shifts. Monitoring is like having a constant health check for your AI. We watch if its predictions are still accurate, if the data it's seeing is similar to what it was trained on. No data drift, and if it's responding quickly. If something goes wrong or its performance drops, MLOps tools help us know immediately. Just like you update your phone's operating system or an app to get new features and fix bugs, AI models need updates too. If your monitoring shows the model isn't performing well anymore, or if new, better data becomes available, MLOps helps you seamlessly retrain your model with fresh information and then deploy the updated version without interrupting the service for your users. It's about continuous improvement. Imagine a car factory. Everything is automated, from raw materials to the final product rolling off the line. MLOps aims for the same efficiency with AI. It involves setting up automated pipelines that can automatically test new models, deploy them safely to production, monitor their performance, and even trigger retraining when needed. This reduces manual errors, speeds up the entire process, and makes scaling much easier. MLOps isn't just a fancy term. It's essential for building reliable, scalable, and maintainable AI products. It helps you ensure your AI is always working as expected, makes it easier to update and improve, and ultimately delivers a better experience for your users while saving you headaches and sleepless nights. It transforms AI from a cool project into a robust, industrial strength solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.